Hi, I'm Miss Kris. I'm a musician and a teacher. I teach music, art, mindfulness, movement, and nature studies at a small school in Northeast Ohio. Because we have had to go online, I am being very creative in finding ways to reach out to my students. So I have created this YouTube channel, a very new adventure for me because I generally run a no-tech classroom. But I want to bring my love of nature, I want to bring my gardens and the arts to my students and to anyone else who may be tuning in at this time, especially because those things are the things we need the most to help us stay whole and healthy. So we'll be exploring the tasks that are required for creating a garden and maintaining a garden. We'll do some art, we'll sing some songs, we'll do some movement, and keep in mind that I am reaching out to my students who are from kindergarten to the 8th grade. So if you're a younger student, parents may need to help adapt the lesson, the activity. If you're an older student, you may just have to be patient and maybe, just try something that feels a little childish. But I will keep in mind as we're going along that I'm talking to all different people who have all different abilities and materials at home. Try to do things with the least amount of materials. The idea for these videos is to really be inspired by what I tell you and go outside and discover your own nature around you. Try new things. Get to know, even if you just have a little patch of grass, get to know that patch of grass and have fun outside in the sunshine, breathing deep, moving around, being together. I know we can't be together with our friends right now, but we can be together with those we live with, and it's okay to be by ourselves in nature. Nature is full of unmet friends. So, I would love to hear from you because these are children's videos. The way to leave a comment is to go to the discussion tab on my homepage of my channel and click on that tab and you can leave a comment because I would love to know how you are exploring nature. I would love to hear any suggestions since this is a new thing for me. I just had a bug fly in my eye. So I guess that's about it. The only thing that's left is get outside.